Let's take a look at some cool gadgets that are useful, practical, and just plain cool. Whether you're looking for smart solutions or cool designs, there's something here for everyone. Looking for a next-level home theater experience? The Hisense Laser Cinema PX3 PRO delivers stunning visuals with trichroma RGB laser technology, giving you ultra-accurate colors and deep contrasts. With an ultra-short throw lens, you can project a massive 80 to 150-inch screen from just inches away. Packed with 3000 ANSI lumens, this projector ensures bright, vibrant images even in daylight. Plus, Dolby Atmos and Harman Kardon audio provide immersive theater-quality sound. Motion estimation and compensation, MEMC, makes action scenes ultra-smooth, and game mode reduces lag for a responsive experience. With Android TV built in, stream all your favorite content in 4K HDR with ease. Upgrade your setup with the Hisense PX3 Pro, where cutting-edge tech meets cinema magic. Meet the DJI Flip RC-N3, a compact yet powerful drone designed for stunning aerial photography and effortless flight. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker or just capturing memories, this drone delivers high-quality visuals with ease. It features 4K UHD resolution at 60 frames per second, ensuring crisp, vibrant footage with rich detail. The 1.13-inch CMOS sensor captures stunning 48-megapixel photos, making every shot look professional. Takeoff is seamless with palm launch, and AI subject tracking keeps your focus locked, even in fast-moving scenes. The full-coverage foldable propeller guard ensures safe flying, while the 3D infrared sensing system helps navigate obstacles with precision. With O4 video transmission, you get ultra-low latency and reliable connectivity over long distances. Quick Shots mode allows for cinematic movements with a single tap, making creative filming effortless. For added versatility, the DJI Mic Mini captures high-quality audio, enhancing your video content with synchronized sound. The DJI Flip combines advanced features with a user-friendly design, making it a must-have for content creators and drone enthusiasts alike. Looking for the ultimate ergonomic office chair designed for long hours of work and gaming? Meet the Hbada E3 Pro. Say goodbye to back pain with its T-shaped support system and 3-zone wraparound lumbar support, keeping your spine aligned and comfortable. Customize your posture with height and depth adjustments. Move the lumbar support up and down by 2.76 inches and adjust the depth by 1.26 inches for a perfect fit. The one-touch locking system and 12-degree lumbar tracking ensure you stay supported as you move. The 4D biaxial headrest gives you 70-degree dual-axis rotation, so your neck is always in the right position. Plus, the 360-degree mechanical armrests provide full support no matter how you sit. Built with 4-way stretch mesh, it's breathable and keeps you cool. The auto-gravity sensing chassis adapts to your movement, delivering the perfect balance of comfort and stability. Upgrade your workspace with the Hbada E3 Pro, designed for all-day support and premium comfort. Is your vacuum struggling to reach hard-to-reach areas? Meet the Switchbot K10 Plus Pro, the world's first mini robot vacuum that delivers big cleaning power in a compact design. At just 5.2 inches wide, it's built to tackle those hard-to-reach spots under sofas, between chairs, and in tight corners, where dust loves to hide. With a 4-litre self-emptying dust bin, you'll only need to empty it 4 times a year. That means less hassle and more convenience for your daily routine. The powerful suction easily picks up dust, crumbs, and even pet hair. It features LDS laser navigation with PSD obstacle sensors, ensuring precise mapping and intelligent obstacle avoidance, so no more random bumps into furniture. And if you have pets, the anti-tangle rubber brush prevents hair from clogging, making maintenance effortless. With support for multi-floor mapping, smart scheduling, and voice control, the Switchbot K10 Plus Pro is designed to make your cleaning completely hands-free. Ever been stuck with a dying phone and no charger in sight? Yeah, me too. But that's where Swippitt changes the game. This is the Swippitt Hub, a sleek battery swapping station that holds 5 fully charged link batteries. The best part? Swapping takes just 2 seconds. No cables, no waiting, just instant power on demand. Then there's the Swippitt Link, a protective case with an integrated 3,500 mAh smart battery. It monitors your battery usage in real time, making sure you're always powered up. And if you're at home, work, or even in a cafe, just swap in a fresh battery and keep going. The Swippitt app lets you track battery levels, monitor power usage, and even remind family members to swap when they're running low. No more dead phones, no more searching for outlets, just seamless, stress-free power. So, if you're tired of battery anxiety, Swippitt has your back. Charge fast, swap easy, and never miss a moment. The Zip and Zap on BEEE e-scooter, the perfect mix of power, style, and convenience. With a 1,500-watt brushless motor, this beast reaches a top speed of 31 miles per hour across 3 speed levels. Plus, its 48-volt 20-amp-hour lithium-ion battery gives you an impressive 40-mile range per charge, while a 30-degree gradability makes hills effortless. It features 11-inch off-road tubeless tyres for maximum traction and front and rear double shock absorption for a smooth ride. Dual mechanical disc brakes ensure quick and safe stopping, even at high speeds. Unlocking is seamless with NFC technology. And with a max load of 267 pounds, it's designed for all kinds of riders. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just enjoying the ride, the Zip and Zap on BEE scooter delivers speed, range, and comfort, all in one sleek package. The Looktech AI glasses are your everyday smart companion, powered by cutting-edge AI. Whether you need a virtual assistant on the go or a hands-free way to stay connected, these glasses have you covered. Simply tap or say, "Hey Memo," to activate your personal AI assistant. Need to check notifications, get reminders, or translate a sign? Looktech makes it effortless. But that's not all. These glasses feature a 13-megapixel high-resolution camera, capturing stunning POV shots so you never miss a moment. Whether you're traveling, cooking, or on the move, your perspective is recorded in crisp detail. Stay connected without lifting a finger. With built-in microphones and speakers, you can take calls, listen to music, and even transcribe conversations in real time. Just ask Memo for a quick summary and you're all set. Want to navigate smarter? Looktech identifies objects, counts calories, and enhances everyday tasks with AI-powered vision. With a lightweight frame and 14-hour battery life, you'll stay powered throughout the day. Smart, sleek, and seamless. Looktech AI glasses are redefining wearable tech. Imagine having a smart measuring tool that makes every project faster, more precise, and stress-free. Meet TappTec, the ultimate tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Ever drilled into a wall without knowing what's behind it? The TappTec Stud Finder helps you detect pipes, wires, and hidden objects with pinpoint accuracy so you can drill with confidence. Its real-time digital display supports both imperial and metric units, eliminating the hassle of conversions and giving you instant, accurate measurements at a glance. Need to measure long distances or tight spaces? The laser distance measurer delivers high-precision results every time. No guesswork required. For perfect alignment, the TappTec laser level ensures that everything from cabinets to tiles is flawlessly straight. And with the digital angle gauge, tricky angles become effortless. Need to save or share measurements? The TappTec app syncs everything in real time for seamless tracking and collaboration. Smart, efficient, and incredibly precise. TappTec is the future of measuring, made simple. Ever wonder if the food you eat and the water you drink are truly safe? With EcoTracker, you no longer have to guess. This personal food and water safety tracker is designed to detect harmful substances in fruits, vegetables, fish, and even your drinking water. Equipped with a high-precision probe and temperature sensor, EcoTracker analyzes contaminants in seconds, giving you real-time data on food quality. It's compact, portable, and incredibly easy to use. Just dip, scan, and get instant results on your smartphone. Even filtered water isn't always safe, but EcoTracker ensures you stay informed, detecting excess chemicals or mineral imbalances. Whether you're at home, traveling, or shopping for groceries, this device helps you make healthier choices with confidence. Stay ahead of harmful toxins and take control of your well-being. Need fast, secure, and portable storage? Meet the DOCKCASE Pocket Portable SSD, your ultimate on-the-go data solution. With 3-second power loss protection, PLP, your data stays safe even during unexpected shutdowns. No more worrying about corrupted files or lost projects. Its real-time smart display gives you instant insights into transfer speeds, storage status, and SSD health, so you're always in control. Designed for speed, it delivers lightning-fast 10 gigabits per second data transfer, making large file transfers feel effortless. Plus, the read-only mode adds an extra layer of security, preventing accidental deletion or modification of your important files. Built with advanced heat dissipation, this SSD stays cool under pressure, ensuring top performance without overheating. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.